Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James. It's February 8th, 2011. That's a Tuesday morning, so happy Tuesday to you guys. Now, a big apology from yesterday, guys. Monday morning, well, Sunday, I missed Monday morning's trading, guys, due to illness. And I wasn't aware of this. Did you know that Monday after Super Bowl is statistically the biggest day of the year for people calling out sick to work? Makes perfect sense, doesn't it? So, of course, on Sunday, I got deathly ill on Sunday. I wouldn't say deathly ill, but I cut myself a little bit of a stomach bug. And so I missed the game on Sunday. I completely missed the game on Sunday. Woke up at about midnight Eastern time on Monday morning and realized I was not feeling very good. So, again, my apologies this morning, guys, for missing Monday. It's been over a year since I've ever had that happen before. So, again, thank you guys for your patience on Monday morning. We got right back into today, though, guys. Right back to our normal tricks again here in the room today on a Tuesday morning. And again, missed Monday, a little bit of a bout of a stomach illness there on Monday morning. I'm back on Tuesday morning. Now, this morning, though, what happened? No news today, right? It was the Tuesday with very little news this morning. So without any news, there was not very much, right? Not many catalysts out there, which means we had anticipated for kind of a flat market this morning. So Tuesday, that kind of felt like a Monday for me. We had no news this morning. That means potential for a flat market. Now, we saw a nice crude wedge pattern. We bought the lows and the wedge on crude. We then kept buying on the way up, right? Buying pullbacks on the way up, and then we got to the new highs. We made a new high of day today on crude, and then we sold the highs for one of our biggest winners of the day. So we began our day without any news. Without any news, we're always thinking to ourselves, this may be a flat day today. But we had the crude oil on our side, though. We had the lows of the wedge on crude. We'll look at that in a moment. But we bought the lows on crude and then went all the way to the highs and then sold the high of day on crude. It was a pretty great day on crude oil. We'll grab a look at that here in a moment. Now, gold was slow pretty much all day, and I think that gold was really tied to the dollar a little bit too much today, right? Gold was slow, dollar was slow, that dollar kept chopping around, gold kept chopping around, and we found ourselves on gold at the top of a price channel. Now, what do we want to do at the highs of a price channel? We want to be a seller. So we were looking for selling opportunities all day long on gold, but we never got them. We did get a couple trades on the gold, though, by buying pullbacks, right, after seeing new highs. Now, the key is, if I'm going to trade into the highs, guys, I want to see a new higher high, then buy the pullback, right, and take it back up. So if we're trading around the highs of a range or trading around the highs of a wedge or the highs of a channel, like today on gold, a little bit more difficult to buy into those highs. So we wait for new highs to be made, then buy the pullback. We were always looking for a selling opportunity on gold today, but we never got it. Never got it. Probably because the dollar was going sideways all morning. Now, what was the big word of the day today? The big word of the day today was token print. We talked about the token prints today, and we actually had a token print on the crude happen twice today. And both of those tokens, what happened was we were looking for a wave long. And the token print was a new lower low with momentum curling up and big buyers. And it happened at a very important piece, or happened at a very important location on our charts. So again, guys, we had a token print. Now, if you want more information about token prints, guys, go to the blog right now and type in token print. And of course, we did a special webinar on that this afternoon. So we did a lot of training on this today, guys. We talked about token prints. And today was a great example on the crude. We saw two examples. And one of the examples came right at a very important level, and that was the previous low of day. Remember that previous low of day? Above the previous lows were buyers. Below the previous lows would be sellers. Well, we saw a token print go below the previous lows, and then what makes it a token print is how it reacts. It reacted right back to the upside, right? So we're going to take a look at that token print here for you guys in a moment. Very good day today, though. Very good day. I missed yesterday because of my little stomach illness, right? So now I'm back. We're back in the saddle this morning, and you can see here, guys, it did not take us long to dust off the cobwebs, right, or burn off all that party mix we had over the weekend for the Super Bowl. Right, so we're trying to get back in the swing of things this morning after I was out for Monday. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 trades. As you can see, 2 of those were re-entries for a wave on the crude. Actually, 3 of them were wave entries, re-entries in the crude. So we had a couple examples today. You can see re-entry 11:35, re-entry at 10:40 and 10:45. What happened was we had wave patterns we were trying to get into, but the speed was too slow, so we tried to get in a couple more times. right? Taking those re-entries when we saw speed pick up or momentum confirms, right? Momentum points down, then it points back up. We'll get a re-entry. Okay, guys, so 16 trades total today. I have no problem taking 16 trades as long as I'm making 354 ticks. That puts us over 3,500 USD. And look, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 times in the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. 5 times in 5 weeks, we've done over 300 ticks in the room. And that only requires 4 contracts. 4 contracts, you need at least $1,500 per contract, right? So talking about $6,000, about $6,000 there to get started here, guys, on 4 contracts. As you can see, that's about a 50 to a 60% return on just one trading day. So 16 total trades, 354 ticks, that's 35.40 for the day today. That brings our monthly total now to 15,000. We've traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days this week. We've made $15,000. We're averaging, right, 5 days, $15,000. We are averaging $3,000 a day in the month of February. We're having a great year so far. If you have questions, membership, guys, membership, we can always answer membership questions. Just contact our sales team. I'm going to teach you guys how to do all of this stuff as a member, right? So 16, right, trades, you guys, couple re-entries. We had that stop on crude. Don't forget, guys, losses are going to happen. We haven't had a loss like this in a while, but we took a loss at 1035 on crude, and you can see what happens, right? Loss at 1035. I tried to get back in, too slow. At 11:14, the token print came out, 11:15 on crude. We got one of the biggest winners of the day, right? 37 ticks, biggest trade of the day. That was using our token print at 11:14 on crude. 15,000 for the month of February, 31,000 for January, and we did 20,000 in December for a very short month. We've had a fantastic year so far, guys. We'll keep you guys posted the rest of the month. Let's see how the dollar looks. Now, I always begin my day on the dollar. Now, we had a bunch of guests this morning that came in late. If you guys came in late this morning, you really missed out on a lot of the prep work. All right, guys, if you're a guest or a member, of course, you'll want to make sure you guys come in right on time, 7:45, 7:50, 8 o'clock. We're going through the entire morning prep. All right, we had a couple guests this morning that came in too late, and of course, we couldn't really help you guys out too much because it was at noontime Eastern time. If you're a guest and you want the best information, come out early. The morning prep is posted on the blog, and we go over that morning prep live in real time.